Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to make a consent screen, a screen that will be a highly customized reusable screen on which you can ask any permission from your end user, and you can use it throughout the whole application. Stick till the end of this video to find out the great design that you can achieve very quickly and use it anywhere you want. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is make a Z stack with some background color, which will be my custom dark blue color. I will use ignore safe area. So after that, I will use VStack. In a VStack, we will have some large title. So here will be some title that we will inject in this view. Font, I will use large title. So large title with color. This is my custom green color, and we will add some padding to it. So here we need to add state var title string. We will also add description and question. So we need to add them here to our preview. I already put them here for you to not lose time watching me typing all this. So I will just copy paste this here, and this is a question. So basically you can call this screen and put here anything you want, so that can be some other question. Okay, so okay, here we need to use question. So we have a title. I will add spacer to move it to the top. We can also use bold to make it more highlighted. The second thing that we will add here is our description, which will be white color. Remove this. We will add padding, and I will center align this multi-line text. So that's it. Here is the spacer. Below the spacer, I will use question. Question font will be subheadline. Foreground color white. We will also add some padding around it, and also multi-text alignment center. I will just add below this description one image with system name from SF symbols. I will use globe image with a frame of 90. We can delete this part. It needs to be resizable, scaled to fit, and we can change its foreground style to green color. Add some padding around it. Here is the spacer. Okay. Below this text, we will add VStack with two toggle buttons. So I will try to simulate some type of radio buttons. So the first one will be yes show personalized ads. For the binding, we will use binding with get set. So for get, okay, I need to add here one more variable, state var selected option of type boolean. Currently nothing is selected, so we will make it nil. I need to add it. Okay, I don't need it here because it's a null. For get, we will say self dot selected option. If it's true, then set the is on this first toggle, which says yes. And for the set value, we will just say self selected option, set it to true. I will add tint to brand primary. So tint is for this color to here to change it. And I will copy this one more time. Here will be no show general ads. You can also customize this these two strings, so you can also extract them to variables, and then when you call the screen, give also string values for them. So in this second example, here will be false, false, and below that I will also add one spacer. So as you can see, we need to change there. We need to add them padding and change foreground color to white. You can also use blue. It looks pretty good. So for a padding, we can add more, 20. Okay, now this works like this, so you can always choose only one option. Below spacer, we just need to add button. You just need to add button with action label. So this is action. For label, we will use text, continue. So we need to change its frame 270 and for height 50. We can remove this alignment. Font will be something bigger, let's say title. Foreground style, we want to have text color white. Background will be our brand primary custom green color. Clip shape, rectangle of corner radius of 12. I can also add some shadow and padding. Okay, I think that now this screen is over. We can try to print here our selected option. And that's it for this video. So you have some title, description, image, question, yes or no. User needs to select something, and when you press continue, this action here is executed. You can save anywhere you want the value from yes or no, or if the user didn't check anything, then you can just show him toast message and ask him to select something and execute any code you want in here action. So on action on this button and navigate user to the next screen. That's it. You can use this screen anywhere you want. You can more customize it with you can make it more reusable with for example color, these two strings, also string for the continue button, and basically you can modify it to your needs. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to help me deliver more content like this. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.